Hello, and welcome to the eProc Solutions training session. This video will demonstrate how to delete and restore a user profile without remote control in under 1 minute. When a service desk technician is required for any reason to delete a user profile, they're usually required to perform multiple steps that can take a long time. Using eProc, we'll show you how to perform the same actions without remote control in under 1 minute. Here we have Mary, who is signed onto the computer. Going over her profile, we can see she has multiple documents and files in different directories. To start the backup and restore process, we go to the eProc Management Console, type in Mary's account name to locate her computer, and open the real-time view. Once data start to stream information, we go to the Sessions view to see if Mary is signed on, and if she is, we sign out Mary. Next, we go to the User Profiles view, where we can see all the users' profiles on the computer. We select Mary's profile, where we can see the profile is not loaded, and right-click to open the menu and select the option Backup Before Delete. In the window that will open, we confirm to start the profile Backup Before Delete process. The eProc agent backs up and deletes Mary's profile immediately. This action might take a couple of seconds. We ask Mary to sign in again and wait for the sign-in process to complete. Depending on the size of the profile, the process might take time as a new profile is created. Once the sign-in process is completed, we see that all Mary's documents and files are missing. Returning to the eProc Management Console, we refresh the user's profiles list to see Mary's new profile. We select her profile, check the backup profile we made, and select the option to restore from the backup. A window will open allowing you to select what data to restore. We will choose to restore everything and click the OK button. A new window will show the selection, and we select to confirm to start the action. eProc immediately starts to restore all the data from the backup profile to the new one. This concludes our training session. If you want to learn more about our solutions, please go to our website at www.eprocsolutions.com. Thank you.